If you've been trying to turn on the Favorites toolbar in Microsoft Edge, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find it and how to make it appear the way you want. The Favorites bar is super useful because it gives you instant access to your most important websites, bookmarks, and shortcuts right at the top of your browser. So whether you want it visible all the time or only on new tabs, I'll walk you through the process step by step. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, look for the three-dot menu. This is where Edge keeps most of its settings and customization options. Click on the three dots, then from the menu that appears, select Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Appearance. This section controls how your browser looks and what tools are visible while you browse. Now scroll down until you find the Customize Toolbar section. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps the options for the Favorites bar, also known as the Favorites toolbar. Under the Favorites bar setting, you'll see a few choices. If you want the Favorites toolbar to show up everywhere, choose Always. If you only want it to appear on new tabs, select Only on new tabs. As soon as you choose one of these options, Edge will update the toolbar automatically. If you picked Always, the Favorites bar should now stay visible whenever you open a page. If you selected Only on new tabs, it will appear when you open a new tab and stay hidden on regular websites. This is a great option if you want a cleaner browser while still keeping quick access to your favorite links. If you don't see your bookmarks immediately, give the page a second to refresh or open a new tab to confirm the change. You can also pin frequently used websites to the Favorites bar later for even faster access. Just remember, this feature is all about making your browsing easier and more organized, especially if you use the same sites every day. Now that you know how to turn on the Favorites toolbar in Edge, you can customize the browser to fit the way you work, study with Shady, or browse online. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.